Happy birthday, dear Alondra and Alexandra. Happy birthday to you. So, I don't know if you guys will notice the difference in quality, but Ryan actually told me that my videos, they don't look like I was using the full quality on them, and he was right. I had lowered the quality because I wanted for them to download faster to my iPad for me to edit. So I'm trying to now use better quality. So let's fix my hair because that's not going to work. Salad and some fruit. The day is actually kind of sunny right now, so I'm happy about that. But I'm also gonna make a guacamole with I talked about this in the video that's coming out tomorrow. So it'll come out before this. So by the time this is out, you guys should already have that video. But I'm gonna make a guacamole with this. All right, so I'm going to that. Oh, look at how creamy this is. This is from my father-in-law's tree, and they're so creamy, man. And then keep scooping up the avocado. Or like made it all in here. Like I said, I usually smash the avocado first, and then I process everything else separately. Oh my gosh, I'm an idiot. Oh no. Okay, so let me use this. I'm so stupid, guys. Okay, that's in there now. So now I'm gonna put these, and then I'll put the chilies, and then I'll put all the avocados. There we go. Lemon. This is also from my father-in-law's tree. Because our tree, something's up with it. Like, it's turning yellow. If anybody knows how to take care of a lemon tree, please let me and Ryan know, because we're failing miserably. Oregano. Okay, there we go. Chop, chop, chop. That's the stuff. Look at the consistency. All right, anyway, I have to go drop off my best friend's birthday card in the mail real quick because her birthday is tomorrow. I just sat on her card, and I forgot to send it earlier, so it's gonna get there late, but it'll get there. That first stamp, it didn't stamp very well, or it didn't stay very well. I don't know why, but let me go to the post office super quick. It's gonna be cold outside though. Oh my god, it's a really nice day out. Look at how pretty the clouds look. Oh, it's been raining here, so it looks beautiful. I got 2 Guacamole boxes, so let me show you guys what I got. I think this is gonna work. Yes. Da-da-da. All right, so mail. I got 2 Guacamole boxes. I talked about this my last video. So I'm just going to show you guys really quick what I got before I go in. I think I still have 10 minutes left. Ooh. So this is number 1. Let's see if it's going to fit. Oh my god, this is beautiful. huh, it might be too big on me, but I can belt it. Look at how pretty. Oh, I'm bringing these down a little bit. Whew. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. And next week, actually, our corporate like main boss is coming, so this is gonna be perfect to wear next week. And the second item, I think this item actually is not a dress. I think I might have chosen like some other stuff other than a dress. Oh, no, it is a dress. Oh my God. Oh, it's so springy. Oh my gosh. Okay, wait. I don't know if I'm gonna like this. This is size 18 wide. I think I went up on both of these because I thought they were gonna be too small, but no, they recommended a smaller size. So, they'll work. Look at this. Oh my gosh. So I have an idea for next week. Actually the following next 2 weeks, to do a TikTok, sorry. I'm gonna do like Monday through Friday, and then do like outfits Monday through Friday in the office, and then outfits Monday through Friday in work from home, because I think the contrast is hilarious. Especially because I try to at least do my hair a little bit when I go into work. When I'm here, I don't. I just kind of go al natural and just let it do its thing, because who cares? But weekends, I do try to kind of like dress up a little bit or put makeup on and do the whole shebang. So I'm good going. I have to go back in, but it's Friday, so that means that I'm gonna vlog today and tomorrow, and I have 2 boards tomorrow, so I'm excited about that. So usually my days when I do boards, Ryan ends up buying breakfast for me, because I don't want to, you're not supposed to use the kitchen at the same time as you cooking in it with the permit from Riverside County. So so that I don't have to cook breakfast, he just buys breakfast, and then we eat in the living room, and then the kitchen's completely open for me to do my boards. Anyway, I have to go back in. All right, I'm gonna start off with the crackers, which I bought a lot of crackers the other day. These are one of my favorites, so I'll start with that, because then that I can easily pause and eat. Versus when I have the cheese on, then, or out in the open, I have to like put it back in the fridge and then eat, and then, so I'm gonna start with the crackers and then work backwards. All right, hello you guys, it is Saturday, and I'm gonna end the vlog here. There's like tree cutting happening outside, so it's really noisy. Oh, literally right in front of us. They're like in our driveway. Interesting. Anyway, so I'm about to go to Taco Bell because the quesalupa is back, and I'm gonna do a taste test for my channel. So I placed an order and I'm gonna go pick it up now. But yeah, I am going to end the vlog here. I'll see you guys next week. And make sure you guys subscribe if you like my vlogs. And also my new schedule has been Thursday is just like a channel video, and then Saturdays is my vlog. So I don't know. Let me know if you guys like it. I'll see you guys later. Bye.